Painting eyes? Today on the Hobby Grotto I'm going to show you some tips. Now my first tip here is to paint the eyes before any of the face. I know, it sounds crazy, but if you do it like this, you can adjust the eyes as much as you want without messing up your carefully painted face. After I lay down the white base, I add in the black pupils carefully, and then I just keep adjusting with white and black until it's perfect. When you're painting pupils, it's important to get a sense of the direction the model's looking. Get one of them placed right, adjust it accordingly, and then you can work off that with the other one. Then it's just a matter of painting the face around it and you're good to go. If you're like me and you like to use a lot of washes, sometimes it's just not convenient to leave the face completely unpainted. So personally, I like to lay down the base coats and then use the same technique I went over previously, adjusting the eyes until they're right. Any mistakes get painted black as I resize the eye, and while it may look a little weird now, like he's gonna play football or do some commando stuff, all that will be covered when I start adding layers to the face. And again, this is a way to make sure you aren't messing up the face highlights later with a misplaced eye splooge. You want to adjust as much as possible now, get the eye right, get the size right, and then paint the rest of the face. Pupils are the hardest part of painting eyes, so it needs to be said that if you can avoid them, avoid them. I find it's particularly appropriate for magic users to just have plain white eyes. So there you have it, a couple of eye painting tips to help you on your way. You can always just leave eyes unpainted. Miniatures are so small, it's often not noticeable, but I think they really give a life to the minis, so I attempt them when I can. Either that or just use heaps of helmeted heads. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on the Hobby Grotto.